Huh? Arey, no one is going. Oh man, that vanilla sounds crazy, yaar. They would be called robots, not humans. Hey, Amma, lake looks amazing. Oh, nice. What the? I am literally crying, guys. Oh my god. All these beautiful stretches.
सुनिए ना क्या क्या
Hello, awesome people. Welcome back to another vlog. So today's video is all about Kaveri. Yes, today we are going to the Kaveri River near Bhimeshwari. So I am starting from Electronic City, and I'll be taking the nice road today. I could have gone the interior way without tolls, but then it showed me 1 hour. Nice road showed me around 30 minutes. I'm already kind of late. So it's 5:15 a.m. now, and as usual, not as usual, but good thing we don't have fog today. So yeah, and this is the Electronic City flyover which goes to Silk Board, and if you are on that road, you go to Silk Board, and if you whoops, if you go on this road, you'll go to Nice Road. Two-wheelers only. Yeah, this one. Mysore Road. Oh my god, guys, it's already 5:20. I thought of reaching there by 5:30, but ah, Mysore Road, here we come. Man, I love these sweeping roads, man. But lights are shit on this bike. We should be finding our Yamahawks in some time. Huh? नहीं है, नहीं है. Hey man, morning. Here only, right? And no one came.
No overtaking, okay? Doesn't matter right or left. No overtaking, single file. So we'll all be riding in single file, straight road, okay? I'll be leading today's ride. So that's a FC25, the only one which is there.
Yeah, guys, let's go, let's go. We have officially started our ride. Man, just riding with your fellow mates, that feeling is very different. You got to ride to experience it. You can't just watch videos and experience. But I'll still try my best. This is our buddy Indrajit. He has a channel as well. I'll link it in the description. Oh, guys, man. Traffic at this time, it's 7. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया रे सैया मेकअप कर लिया. Sunday morning, and we are on Mysore Road, and there is a bit of traffic also. there is a construction going on, so the roads aren't that great. Oh man, this Mysore road. Please get the construction done, yeah. Even if the construction is done, the road is still small, I feel. It's a two-lane highway. The width is too small for two lanes, actually. I'll buy this anti-fog insert in for the helmet before I go to Ladakh. Obviously, I should be needing that because if your visor gets fogged up, you can't see a thing. So that's an essential. I'll also buy a new visor for my empty helmet. It's been 2 years and there are a few scratches over it. The coating started to come off, so I'll be needing a new one. But if it starts raining, I have to put my raincoat. But I think we'll probably stop riding if it starts raining. So, I mean, I personally don't like riding in the rain. Even if it rains, slight bit, your shoes will be gone, your bike will get all dusty, wet, and that grip also would not be there, guys. So it's, I mean, some people like riding in the rain, but people, different people, different opinions, different choices. You never know, right? If everyone are the same, they would be called robots, not humans. Correct? Yep. I've adjusted my jacket. Now we're all good. Just check out all your gears, guys, before you start riding because the comfort is important. If you're not comfortable, it might result in a disaster. Okay, let's go catch up our folks. I think I am the last one. Yikes. Oh man, that Bentley sounds crazy, yeah. Oh man, look at the road. The road, amazing road. I mean, the view is great, but all this traffic shit. Hey, Amma. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, man. What the? Lake looks amazing. Oh, man. Look at that. Damn, guys. Oh guys, look at this wonderful beauty. Woo! This is what we need, guys. This is a perfect weekend getaway one can have. Look at this, wonderful. literally crying, guys. Oh my god. What the hell? This is what I crave. This is what I want. I want nothing more. Oh god. Oh, nice. What the hell? Are they going into a forest, people? If yes, I would be 100% excited. Not like I'm not excited now, but this is what we want. Nice, 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 nice. And some slush action as well, because why not? You as a biker must experience all the terrains, not only tar road. If you want only tar road, go for a track. Oh people, I feel bad for you because you had to watch it through a screen. So experiencing this in person is what everyone needs. That is what biking is all about. Oh man, this cold wind on our face. Something else, people, something else. I really hope you guys are able to hear me loud and clear, because all these days I did not have a mic setup, so could not talk much to the cam. Cam as in you people who have subscribed and supporting me through all my journey. So guys, we have just had our breakfast and everyone is gearing up for the ride, and there is Deepanjan showing hi. Breakfast is done, people, and we are back on the roads. I forgot wearing my gloves. What the hell? So we still have another 15 kilometers to go. Talks of having a GS, guys. An off-road vehicle, not only GS but an off-road. Look at him, look at him. Oh god. Oh guys, roads like these, man, I could do them all day, all night. These beats, oh man, just look at this scenery, yaar. guys, I guess we have reached the place because there are a lot of shops for food stuff and all. Yeah, this is a tourist place. Yeah, yep, we have reached. So guys, we have reached the location. Beside me there is Kaveri, as you can see, and we are going on a small walk. There's my friend behind me who is vlogging already on his cam. So it must be fun today. I'll try to show you guys some cinematic shots if I can, but we'll see.
ठीक है एकदम परफेक्ट डर के आगे जीत है जीत के आगे हम लोग हैं यार
केसी
कंटेंट
ये क्या है बोला तू वैसे ही गीला कर और गीला कर
आवाज से कितना डेसिबल बढ़ा ना
So guys, we are done with the place. Absolutely fantastic it was. It was cold as well, not sunny. So it's time for us to say bye bye to this amazing place, guys. I don't even feel like leaving this place, but we are probably going to have lunch and head back to Bangalore. So see you on the bike. Bhai, क्या करना है? They are waiting for us to throw.
Yes, come.
One second.
Yes, you come with them, we'll push you back into water. Seriously. Hey, leave them to please waterproof. I will go inside water. You know me.
Everyone is holding one stone, not one.
2, 3
You'll throw them on us.
Yes.
We'll get hurt.
No.
I'll take you to the hospital.
अरे यार.
Look at his head. Oh, he's so dead.
I'll probably end the vlog here. It's been a great day. Amazing place which we went. We missed the heat. It was a bit polluted, but then it was fine. So the route, everything was fantabulous, like no words. So yeah, it is drizzling. Why is it drizzling? Not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll end the vlog here. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.